The influence of Western music and pop culture poses a threat to the preservation of traditional Indian music. The younger generation is more inclined towards modern music genres, leading to a decline in interest and support for traditional music forms. The digital era has brought about a shift in music consumption patterns, favoring easily accessible and popular music. This poses a challenge to the preservation of regional Indian music, which may not be as readily available on digital platforms. The increasing homogenization of cultures due to globalization and urbanization threatens the distinctiveness of regional Indian music, leading to a loss of unique musical traditions. The commercialization of music has led to a focus on commercially viable music genres, sidelining traditional and regional music forms. This has resulted in a lack of financial support and resources for the preservation of regional Indian music. Rapid urbanization and changing lifestyles have led to a disconnect from traditional cultural practices, including music. This has resulted in a decline in the patronage and support for regional Indian music, impacting its preservation. Many regional Indian music traditions lack proper documentation, leading to a risk of losing valuable musical knowledge and heritage. The absence of comprehensive records and archives poses a threat to the preservation of these traditions. The shift towards modernization has led to a decline in the oral transmission of traditional music knowledge from generation to generation. This erosion of oral traditions poses a significant threat to the continuity of regional Indian music. Modernization has influenced artistic practices, leading to a fusion of traditional and contemporary elements in music. While this can be enriching, it also poses challenges in maintaining the authenticity of regional Indian music traditions. The changing interests and preferences of the youth, influenced by modernization, have led to a reduced interest in learning and practicing traditional Indian music. This poses a threat to the continuity of these musical traditions. Regional Indian music forms an integral part of the cultural identity of diverse communities across India. Its preservation is crucial for maintaining the rich cultural tapestry and heritage of the nation. The preservation of regional Indian music ensures the preservation of diverse musical styles, instruments, and genres, contributing to the artistic diversity of the global music landscape. Many regional Indian music traditions have historical significance, reflecting the social, religious, and cultural narratives of different regions. Preserving these traditions is essential for understanding India's rich historical tapestry. The Indian government organizes cultural festivals that showcase and promote regional Indian music, providing a platform for musicians to reach wider audiences and garner support. Initiatives to integrate regional Indian music into educational curricula aim to nurture an appreciation for traditional music among the younger generation, ensuring its continuity. The government supports archival projects to document and preserve regional Indian music, safeguarding valuable musical heritage for future generations. Community-led music workshops and training programs aim to engage and educate youth about traditional Indian music, fostering a sense of pride and ownership of their cultural heritage. Initiatives provide financial and infrastructural support to traditional musicians and artisans, ensuring their livelihoods and preserving the skills and knowledge associated with regional Indian music. Community initiatives leverage digital platforms to promote and share regional Indian music, reaching a global audience and creating awareness about these musical traditions. Collaborative projects with international musicians and cultural organizations facilitate the exchange of regional Indian music, promoting its global visibility and appreciation. Non-profit organizations and music preservation societies work towards documenting, archiving, and promoting regional Indian music, ensuring its preservation for future generations. Collaborative programs engage youth in learning and performing regional Indian music, fostering a new generation of musicians and enthusiasts. Digital platforms and online archives are dedicated to preserving and promoting regional Indian music, making it accessible to a wider audience and ensuring its visibility in the digital age. Social media campaigns and digital outreach initiatives raise awareness about regional Indian music, encouraging support and engagement from a diverse audience. Collaboration with streaming platforms and digital music services ensures the availability and visibility of regional Indian music, reaching global audiences and promoting its preservation. Initiatives to preserve and promote regional Indian music have led to a resurgence of interest and appreciation for these musical traditions, both within India and on the global stage. The preservation and promotion of regional Indian music have facilitated cultural exchange and dialogue, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of India's diverse musical heritage. Regional Indian music has played a role in fostering community cohesion and pride, serving as a unifying force that celebrates cultural diversity and heritage. The integration of regional Indian music into educational curricula has ensured that younger generations are exposed to and educated about these musical traditions, ensuring their continuity. The preservation and promotion of regional Indian music have empowered youth to take pride in their cultural heritage and actively engage in the preservation of these traditions. Initiatives have nurtured a new generation of musicians and cultural leaders, ensuring the continuity and evolution of regional Indian music traditions. Continued efforts and initiatives are essential for the sustainable preservation of regional Indian music, ensuring its continuity and relevance in the face of modernization. The active engagement and involvement of youth in the preservation and promotion of regional Indian music are crucial for its future prospects and evolution. Leveraging digital platforms and international collaborations will be instrumental in ensuring the global outreach and visibility of regional Indian music traditions.